curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course. Hmm?
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kirsten Elizabeth, if you did not know. And of course, on the title of today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys some things I wish that I knew before my freshman year of college. This video is a part 2, so if you are coming here and you have not watched part 1, I will leave the link up here so you can go take a gander at that as well. If you have watched part 1 and you are back for part 2, hey, I missed you. Thanks for coming back. I hope that part 1 helped you. Today's video is a little bit special. If you guys did not know, I posted my first ever giveaway last week just to give back to you guys because you guys are always so supportive when it comes to anything I do. So I just wanted to give back to you guys and thank you. So in today's video, I will be saying the winners of last week's giveaway, but just so y'all don't skip to the end, I'm gonna be just throwing out each winner throughout this video so you can't skip. Cause I know some of y'all was just gonna try to watch this video, skip to the little end, see if you were a winner, and probably dislike the video if you were not. I ain't dumb. I know, but it's okay. It's okay. You're human. I forgive you. But before we get into today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell next to my name so you can see the next time I post. Now that I'm done rambling, let's get into today's video. So, of course, I'm going to start with something that I really wish that I knew. Something that I really wish that I knew before I knew. No. Something that I really wish that I knew before going to college. Before going to college. Something that I really wish I knew before going to college. Which is, sis, save your coin. That's it. Save your coin. The summer before, get you a little job. I don't know, McDonald's, Six Flags if you're in the DMV area. Get a job and save your coin. Some parents give students allowances. Some students have to work on campus or even off campus to kind of make ends meet. Not even just tuition and meal plans, because that's stuff that you pay for right up front almost. But what they don't tell you is that everything else that comes along with college. Y'all know I always mention me having to do my own laundry. Laundry is like $125 a load. That's washing, and then $125 to dry. And if you're like me, you separate your clothes, dark, colored, whites, things like that. That's $125. That's like $3 for one set of clothes. If you want to go out with your homegirls don't go out for free. And that's another thing. If they tell you that ladies get in for free before 10, bring your dang wallet, because you is not getting into that party for free. I don't care if you get in at 9:30, because everybody and their grandma gonna be thinking, oh yeah, I'm gonna get there at 9:30 to get there early. No, you gotta pull up at the party at like 9. You gotta pull up at the party at 9. Don't fall for it, because I fell for it. And we ended up paying like at least $15 or $20 to get into a lounge that we only stayed for about an hour and 15 minutes. So it's not worth it. But that's what I'm saying. Save your money. If you want to go out and do things, you have to be able to save your money. With the little $150 that your parents may send you every week or every 2 weeks, you may think it's enough, but I'm telling you, save. College broke is a different kind of struggle. Be better than me. Because I literally used all of my graduation money for dorm decor. We irritating. So be better than me, please. Commercial break number 1. So during this commercial, I'm going to be telling you guys the 3rd place winner who is winning the Love Charm bracelet that will be customized with your initials. And the 3rd place winner is, drum roll please, _tallymark01. Congratulations, Tally. You are our 3rd place winner, and you will receive this lovely Love Charm bracelet. I will contact you in your Instagram DMs about how we can get you all set up. Thank you for your support. The next thing, and I kind of mentioned this in a previous video that I've done, but freshman 15 is real. If you guys have not watched my weight loss journey video, I will leave the link up here below so you can get really the in-depth story about how my weight basically like took over my freshman year of college. Don't watch your weight, have the best time of your life, but be cautious, because a freshman 15 is something that will literally sneak up on you, and it'll be too late. I'm telling you, it'll get to a point that it'll start being uncomfortable for you. Try to eat at the dining hall. That's something that I wish I would have done. The dining hall has more affordable meals that you can have, and it's very diverse, rather than being like me and eating Chick-fil-A for lunch and then sushi and Chick-fil-A for dinner. Yes, some days I had Chick-fil-A twice. I just love Chick-fil-A. Maybe I had Panda Express, but these are the things you need to watch out for, because baby, that Panda Express, that'll stick to you, okay? So just watch how much you consume in a day. Go out, have fun, party hardy, live like it's, what is the lyric? Live like it's y'all know I'm really good for making up words, so I'm not even gonna pretend like I even know if this is a song. But live like it's summer of 2016, the best summer there was. The next tip is you don't need everything in your closet for college. Yeah, don't bring everything you have in your house. That's exactly what I did, and it got so overwhelming very fast. I thought I needed every pair of shoes I thought I was gonna wear, every pair of shoes, and I literally rotated between my Crocs, my Adidas, and my slides. Definitely know the layout of your room and know what drawer space the college provides for you. I know Towsonu, they give you a chest and then they give you a closet. Bring your favorite outfits that you always wear on rotation, and then a couple of scandalous outfits if you want to go to the club. But don't bring more clothes than you actually need. There were so many items that I was like, oh yeah, I'm definitely going to wear this. Mind you, I had never worn it when I was in high school, so what is the likelihood that I will wear it at college? Never wore it. It ended up in a little storage container under my bed and took up space. You don't have enough space for all of these things. But don't be like me, because I thought I was about to be walking a runway every time I went to class, and then walk outside in a sweatshirt and sweatpants literally every day. So. Hey guys! Commercial number 2. That was really funny to do. This winner will win the customized bar necklace, and the winner for this prize is, drum roll please, Danielle Becht, 85. Congratulations, Danielle. You are our second place winner. I will contact you so we can get you your customized bar necklace. Of course, thank you for your support. Definitely be involved, join some clubs. I know that this is a big transition for you, but it'll be worth it. It does get lonely if you have no one. You need a support system besides your parents. I know it's hard to say that, but if you're anything like me and you have a little bit of trust issues, you're not really good with letting people in like that, you're very selective on who you allow around you, definitely go out and be social. That's the only way you're gonna get through this, because 9 times out of 10 everyone is struggling with either grades or being alone or just the entire transition. There was not one class that I did not have at least 1 or 2 people's numbers in that class. It helps when you're studying for finals or if you just need to vent. I know there were some times that I would text a friend in class and just be like, hey, how are you doing? They'd be like, I'm great. Really? Because I'm not. Let's talk about it. So it's good to have those people in your group or just around you. Good to have people around you that can just listen to you besides your parents, and you have to have a support system outside of your parents. For the moment we have all been waiting for. Our first place winner! So this winner will win a customized stainless steel water bottle and a vertical charm necklace. And the winner is, drum roll please. I am so sorry if I butcher your username. I think it's pronounced Arache. Alright. I don't know. I'm so sorry. This is what your Instagram tag is spelled like. If this is you, congratulations. You are our first place winner. Thank you so much for your support, and I will contact you in your Instagram DM so that you can get your prize. And my last and final tip, as a freshman, I think it is so important to join any groups that you can find before coming to campus. I know the summer before I came to Towsonu, there were a lot of Towsonu 23 pages. There was an entire Facebook group page. There was like a Twitter train trending TU23. I know I was in like a couple of group chats, so look out for those so that you'll have another way of getting involved and having some friends when you're coming in. Remember guys that this is such a big transition and nobody expects you to be great at it. Nobody expects you to not have problems. Nobody expects you to not struggle, because it's a struggle for everyone. But finding a community on your campus, within your group chats, within your Facebook pages, that is what will help you throughout this entire transition. I hope that these tips were helpful for you guys. If you want any more college related videos, or if you guys want to just ask me some questions, I can answer them in a separate video. Just comment them down below. If you guys like any of the prices in this video and would like to purchase them on your own, you can follow Bella Traval on Instagram, and you can use code Kirsten Elizabeth at checkout for 25% off any of your homemade jewelry. These are such cute pieces, and I'm so glad that I can give them to you guys just to say thank you for everything. If you did not win, I hope to have many more giveaways, so don't be discouraged. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell next to my name so you can see the next time I post. Bye guys.
Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.